What's up, guys? It's your boy Junior
and Chris,
and today we about to make some slime. We got
Sweet Shop
right
here.
slimy glue party.
We got confetti cupcake.
We got dragon fruit iced tea.
We got cookies and cream.
We got grape soda pop. Right here, y'all can see it. It's right here. Yep, somewhere right here.
It's up here.
Yeah, I think it's that.
Alright, first thing you're gonna do, Chris, is take 40 milliliters of warm water, okay? So, right there.
Yo, this is really
I need a cup though.
I got you, my guy. Alright, so, cup's right here.
It's so thick. I need to do it
so,
like this.
Measuring cup, you're gonna pour this warm water
Oh,
in there. Right, pour it in there until you get to 20. See the 20 on there?
Back. You want to alright. Can I touch it?
Yeah, Junior, you can start playing with it. Chris, go ahead. You see the 20 on there?
Yeah.
When you get to 20, stop and pour it in the cup. Now pour it. How much is that? Just pour it in the cup. Put 20 more in there. 20 more. Because it got to be 40 more milliliters.
I want to keep mixing.
All right, Junior. Which one of these you want to add to it? All right, that's good, Chris. Once you get there, you can put it in the cup. You can add one of these right here for texture. You can add any of this in there.
I want to add the ball.
These right here?
B-A-L-L.
Right here?
No,
Yeah.
not you, Chris.
That one.
He wants to add these ones.
Okay, so I got you. So Chris, now you're gonna take that glue and empty it right into that cup.
Can I take it out the cup?
You're gonna empty the whole thing of glue.
Can I take it out the cup?
Yeah. We're gonna protect the area. Hopefully we don't damage anything.
I didn't even spill a drop. Look at mine. Mine is so colorful.
Yeah, you can mix it in there too, Jane.
Mix it right here.
Make sure you don't get on. Push it this way, son. There you go. All right, you can mix these in there now. All right, Chris. Now
Here we go.
you're gonna take the activator, Chris. Wait. You're gonna put 20 milliliters. This should be right. You got 20. You gotta stop at the 20, okay? Don't pour it fast.
It's fun. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Hiya.
Stop at the 20?
Yeah, stop at 20.
Yeah. Look at this, Chris.
All right. When you get to 20,
Oh, it's empty.
okay, that's good. That's cool. All right. Now take this stirring thing, pour it in there.
It's not at 20 yet.
It's not at 20. What is it at?
It's at like in the middle of 15.
Okay, we'll open another one. Yeah, we'll open another one. Okay, take that and pour it in there.
I like this.
And use this right here to mix. Maybe give you some more. Give you 5 more milliliters. Let me see what number is on. Keep stirring though. Keep stirring. You got it.
Junior made the biggest mess I have ever seen.
Daddy said
All right, there you go. You can pour some more activator in there. Oh yeah. You making that good stuff right there. Good job. So Chris, you're making the dragon fruit, and Junior making the soda pop. And when you're done, you can put yours in this one, and you can put yours in this one when you're done.
Okay.
Slide your cup into the middle some, Junior.
You think
There you go. they're making all that mess. How does it feel? Is yours getting harder over there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yo, look at this.
No. I'm taking out my very hands, right?
Yeah. Did you lift your sleeves down?
It's alright. It's okay.
Junior's having the time of his life.
Alright, is yours getting like real chunky?
Not that hard.
Alright, I'm gonna add some more activator to it. So the more activator you add,
The more solid it's gonna get.
yep.
Oh my
Alright, go ahead. We'll just keep
lord.
adding a little bit more at a
I
time.
want mine to be nice.
I know you do, Chris. It thinks it's gonna.
What do you think about it? You need some more?
From the YouTuber.
Let me see. Let me check it out. It's real watery, like around the edges. You probably didn't mix it like.
Cut.
Oh my goodness.
Cut.
Alright, we gotta get some at the bottom down there.
Ooh. Psych. That's random. Yeah. If we're playing, not tangy.
This piece does not want to come off. There it is. Get off. It's gotta.
How does it feel having such a big mess?
Oh yeah, I just want to see.
You took yours out more early.
Cause my dad said I could play it.
I think it's ready.
I think there's access. There's like more water. Then more slime.
There you go. You can keep stirring a little bit more. Stir that glue in there. I just pour
Putting
it.
you back in the night.
I can take it out.
Yeah, reach in there and grab it. Don't pour it, because yours look more watery. Yours not ready yet. Yeah, get all that chunky stuff out. Yeah, you want to mix some stuff in there? You got this.
I want that.
You got all kinds of stuff you can put in. What are those?
Can I get another one?
To add in there? Yeah, what do you want to add in there? Show the
I
camera
want
what
to
you're adding. Okay, show the camera what you're adding in there.
I'm
Sit down,
adding
Junior.
in this.
Not that, the other one. That
The
one.
square ones?
No, wait.
What is that?
Can I add the square ones and the...
Yeah, you
And
can
that
add
one?
some of both. Not all, but some. I mean, you can add all of the Christmas ones too.
Oh my god, yo. This line's gonna be on your hot.
I'm supposed to add all of them?
You can, or you can save Junior some if you want some. Here, you want some of these?
Yeah.
Here. Oh, Junior's look nice. Play with it in front of the camera.
Can you cut this?
Save some for him. You want some of this?
Look at
Okay, here, you can put more in there if you want to, Junior.
I don't know if you want some of that.
You want some of these, Junior?
What? Yeah.
It'll probably look good in yours because you got purple. You have pink. You putting pink inside of pink. What does it smell like? You say you want some of these?
Yeah.
Nah, man. All right, here, let me give you a couple of them. There you go. You put the rest in there.
Yeah. Can I get
Hey,
the
Chris, you
squares?
don't need this anymore. I'll take
Oh, I
this
forgot
right here.
the stick was
Just
at
keep
the
mixing.
bottom. Oh, you said you're gonna go flat.
Here, you wanted these, or did Junior want these? Junior, you didn't put all these in there. You want some of these?
I want to put all of it.
All right, put it in there. Junior, you gotta put your stuff in some so the camera can see it. My guy. There you go. You pulling it all the way from Chris. This is your square right here. There you go.
This is my square.
All right, go ahead and mix, Chris. Here, do your thing.
Yeah. I know you like it.
Mine's really
So that was pretty easy. What do y'all think?
It's super duper.
Mine is very, very, very
I
well.
want the squares.
Okay. Where are they?
You don't see them?
I can play with it now? Or still?
Yeah, you can play it. Yeah, do your thing, my guy. Yeah, I don't even know where I put them. Just sit down, hold tight.
Look under the napkin.
They go right in front of you. Make sure y'all do not put this in your mouth. Don't even rub your face. No, Junior.
What are those?
Get out of there. Kids gonna think it's okay to do that. That's not.
What's that?
Foam. Cubes.
I like
Put that in slime.
boom. Boom, I like the boom.
So what kind do you have again,
So,
Chris?
I'm
Take it
good.
out, Chris. Take yours out. There you go. Move all the trash over to the side. And take it out, play with it.
That's the biggest mess.
Take all the trash and move the trash over, the sticks and everything.
Me?
Both of y'all. Y'all don't need the sticks anymore.
I will still want to use it.
The stick?
Cause the configuration cut and the configuration cut.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. All right, you guys, I'm gonna tell y'all how it feels. It's sticky,
I think everybody
Feels-
knows it's sticky.
like putty. He has these little things in here. You can feel everything. It's a sensory type of feel.
Oh my gosh!
How did yours feel?
Watery.
Huh?
Very, very watery.
If it don't feel like slime, it feel like,
Mine already feel like water.
oh, yours feel like jello type. It's really slippery.
I wanna try.
It doesn't stretch like it should. Like you can't put it back together once it does that.
Well, you can. You just have to squish it really hard.
I think I used too much activator in it.
Oh, you can.
Maybe we can put some water in to take the
This is a Slurpee. Oh! That Slurpee tastes nasty. Pay me again. They said it will. You will pay.
He has officially lost it.
Alright, so we're not gonna open the other one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I know.
We'll just give it away to somebody for Christmas. Who do you think we should give it to?
Ninja Kids.
I was thinking the same one.
Huh?
I was thinking the same.
Ninja, give it to Ninja Kids?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Alright, we'll figure that out. I don't know how that's gonna work. They might have a P.O. box and we can see if we can mail it to them. Okay? Alright, so
Oh, mine's actually starting to come together.
it is.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I still got slime on my hands and I just washed my hands. Oh my goodness. Maybe I did a bad job.
Look, you can kind of see through mine.
Show the camera.
You could barely
Show
do
the
it.
camera. What do y'all think about it?
It's so.
Do you like it?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 through 10, what do you give it?
I give it
A
like.
million.
Yeah, whatever.
I'll give it like 6 out of 10.
What?
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
You rate it.
What do you, who, me?
Yeah.
I didn't play with it enough. The pink one to me was too sticky and that's
Look.
probably, oh, it looks a lot better.
Yeah, it's drying up.
Oh, okay. Maybe I might have to play with it again. Oh, okay. So when y'all are done, we're gonna put it in these little, we're gonna take a piece and put it in here. Not all of it's gonna fit. You can put yours in there and we can move on to our next task.
Alright guys, thank you for watching our video. Subscribe, hit that like button, peace. Bang that notification, comment, and see what it is, and see how fun it is to play with the slime. And then bang that bell.